Good morning, everyone. So today I have some of the new Spellbinders Club kits to share with you. These items were sent free of charge for my review, and of course, all opinions are my own. And any links I have in the description box for the club kits will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. So in this video, I'm going to do some unboxings, just kind of walk you through some of these. And really, I want to also mention, as you can see, I don't have the card kit in front of me, and I usually do have the card kit to share with you guys as the club kits launch. But unfortunately, for November, the club kits, I believe, are still on a ship somewhere. You know, all those mix-ups right now and slowdowns with at the docks and all those kind of things. So what I understand, and I'm just going to let you guys know, and then you can email Spellbinders or give them a call and see if you can find out more information if it's not clear, because I'm not sure if that info will be there on their site. But what they're going to do is not have the November club kit. Like, if you're signed up for it, you're just not going to receive it. You won't be charged for it. If you're signed up for like the everything, the big kit, the $100, they're going to just remove the price of the club kit from that, and then you'll be priced out for everything else, just charge the regular, but without that price of the club kit, the card kit. So that's how they're going to do that. And then when the items do arrive, the club kit does arrive later on, the card kit in the month, they are going to have it available for everyone to just pick up and purchase if you would like. So it's not going to be like a club thing you have to sign up for. You'll just buy it if you like it, and they'll ship it to your house. So keep an eye out for that later. And of course, I'll have a video for you guys when it comes in, so you'll know that it is in. So hopefully that's clear. Like I said, if you are a member that usually gets the card kit or wants to know more about that, you can just email them or call them, because that's what I understand and that's the info I have. So basically, if you even look on the site right now, it just shows last month's club kit and that the sign up period is closed for the club kit, the card club kit. So okay, well, let's get started. So I have the stamp and die of the month, the clear stamp and die. So now, instead of picking up the die extra, you can do the stamp by itself. They are photopolymer stamps. Or you can do the stamp and die. And then there's other ways you can get it in other value clubs too. So we'll talk about that in a minute. This is the large die of the month, and this is the APG for November. So let's get right to it. So what we can do is start with the stamp. Now, hopefully you can see already, we have this awesome slim line with the cute little curves, and they've done something similar to this before, but it was just like an everyday type thing. This one's more Christmas. So the new stamp of the month coordinates with that. So if you wanted to use these guys, cut it with this, do a border, however you want to do it. So let's look at this. It has Noel, it has the little snowflakes. I was going to say starflakes for some reason. Oh, okay, the gifts are going in this direction, the top of the gift there. And then the little ornaments, oh my gosh, on a string. That is so cute. And then we have the words, a gift for you, Merry Happy Christmas Holidays. I happen to know the small die of the month is also coordinates back with this, and I believe the glimmer does too. Let's see, it's about 5.5 inches from front to end there. Today I'm just going to do the unboxing, and I'll come back to do a tutorial starting off with whichever club I choose to start with. I just wanted to get you that information about the card kit, because I'm sure people are wondering. And then this is the add-on die, but again, it's not an add-on anymore. You either get that, you sign up for that, it's $10 a month, or both of them together. It's a different pricing. I don't know it off the top of my head right now. Or again, maybe in some of the value kits. So this one comes with a die that cuts a straight edge, and then like little dies that cut out all the gifts. You guys, how cute is that? So you can stamp it and then maybe stamp it again and cut out some gifts and have some of them more like 3D than others, or however, or just use it on a card, however it is that you want to use them, but on a gift tag. How cute are those? It's adorable. So we have all those. And then we have the large die. I love this kind of thing, especially because obviously you can use it on a slim line. Let me give the actual measurement here. This is, it's 8.5 inches from edge to edge. There's something stuck on here. Let me get that off. And the depths are different. Some are like an inch or so. Some might be half an inch. But what I really, really enjoy is seeing this one here with like the little holly and poinsettias, or like little boughs. Let me see if I can get that in there, little flowers. And then it has all these little guys that you can also add on, and I love the Spellbinders poinsettia. These little guys look so cute. They just have so much dimension already when you cut them out. Super adorable. And then we have all these different guys. So this one cuts an edge, and then it looks like it has embossability. I don't know if you can see here, sorry. So it cuts the edge, but then this is like an embossed area, and so is this, and this one's smaller or thinner than this one. So it's going to have a really nice classic looking edge. Again, you can layer these up with the different papers so that they all have a different edge, or however you want to do it. Or your card base might be this, and then maybe there's an insert underneath that has this coming out. And then we have this beautiful little lacy edge with little dots, and then this one's just like a really cool geometric kind of lacy pattern. And then of course we have, again, all these little embellishments that we have to go with it. Sorry about my lighting there. So the little fur, I guess. We have holly leaves, lots of berries you can cut out at once. We have the little flowers. They even look like cinch and go flowers, but they have little centers cut out. And then all these little bits here. Now, the APG is so much fun. I tried to put this in a way that made sense, but you know, I had to get on this board here so I can show it to you guys. But it's kind of like the 3D vignette pop-ups that Becca Feekin does. But this one, what happens is you see this little, the smaller tree first, then the mid-sized tree, and then the one behind it, and it looks like a tree that has like so much dimension. Really pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm just super excited to try this out. So again, because it has that 3D vignette feel, it has that base that we can use for the 3D vignette. This is the very base of the tree, so you're going to tuck your tree in this little thing every time. As you can see, it has little edges, little ends, just like all the other vignette pieces. So what happens is you decorate it, you have the little boxes to decorate with, bows and all that stuff to make that look really pretty at the base. And then as you look through the tree, you have all these other areas. You can do the ornaments, you have a sentiment, love, hope, and joy. The little banner, you have believe. And then of course the tree has like an inlay, and then it has the outer. So this is just an inlay. Sorry about that. So we have the two pieces, and then again the middle size one with the inlay, and then the baby one here in the front with the like a swirl kind of fancier inlay. And again, all the ornaments, and these little pieces here are going to help you keep them, you know, in between each other, so you have that spacing. Yeah, and then everything else to go and decorate the presents with. So I just want to kind of go through them again with the club kits. It's a little bit different now. You can sign up for them individually. Of course, the value club kits are a better value. And then if, let's say, you want to skip one this month that you had last month, you would cancel it and then just add it back next month if you like it. So it's just a simpler way of, instead of skipping and all these other things, you're just going to cancel it, add on what you do want, you know, switch it around that way. I'll have the links to all the different clubs in the description box. Easy enough to do. You get 10% off the site for the month that you're signed up. Like for me, I've never really messed with it, so I just get 10% off continually. But if you are a club member, you get 10% off the site. And people always ask about that because once you log in, it knows you're a club member, so the prices you see already have the 10% off taken off. It's not like it's going to come off at the end in the checkout. Okay, so just another something to take note of. And all right, guys, again, if you have any questions about the card kit, please email or call Spellbinders, but that is my understanding, and I will let you know when it comes in. It is a gorgeous kit. And yeah, I'll do a video of that when it gets here, just to let you guys know it is in for individual sale. And we'll get started in the next video with a tutorial. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye now.